Master the modal verb, must, in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on modal verbs. Today we'll be tackling a crucial piece of English language puzzle, the modal verb, must. This powerful little word can do a lot in English, so let's dive in. Must is a modal verb. It's used to express necessity, obligation, or strong belief. Like all modal verbs, it never changes its form, so you don't have to worry about singular or plural subjects. For example, I must finish my homework. Necessity, you must not go there. Prohibition, he must be tired. Strong belief. When you must do something, it's necessary or obligatory. This could be a personal obligation, or a rule or law you need to follow. For example, we must wear seat belts when driving. Law, I must call my mom today. Personal obligation, employees must wash hands before returning to work. Rule, remember, for negative statements, we use must not or mustn't. For example, you mustn't smoke in the restaurant. Must can also be used to show a strong belief or logical deduction about a situation. In this case, it's often about something we can't see or don't know for sure, but we believe to be true based on the information we have. For example, it's already 10 p.m. John must be at home by now. In questions, must is used to ask for necessity or obligation. It's not very common in informal conversation, where have to is usually used instead. For example, must I come to the meeting tomorrow? Formal, do I have to come to the meeting tomorrow? Informal. And there you have it. Now you must have a better understanding of how to use the modal verb, must. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't forget to use must in your daily conversations and written English. See you in our next lesson.